Welcome you. My name is Wilfred Oscar from Aga Khan University in Dar es Salaam. I'm here to discuss how are we dividing proper fraction by using area model. Proper fraction is a number which is written in a form of A divided by B, where A and B both are elements of integers. As is known in fraction, A must be a part of B. And when we say about area modeling, we mean figures like circle, rectangle, and the others. So when we need to divide proper fraction like a half, divide with a quarter, the first things we need to question yourself. What does it mean? As you know, mathematics is a language. What does it mean by saying a half divided by a quarter? Let's consider about a whole number. When you say 4 divided by 2, what does it mean 4 divided by 2? This means that you need to ask yourself, how many 2's do you have in 4 things? So if you have 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, you need to ask yourself, how many 2's? Here we have the first 2's, the second 2's. So we have 2 2's in 4 things. Therefore, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So when you are talking about fraction, we need to ask the same question. So if you have a half divided by a quarter, you need to ask yourself, how many quarters do you have from a half? So by using area model, like a rectangle as an example, you need the first one to draw a rectangle. After drawing a rectangle, we divide it in 2 equal parts in order to get a half. So we need to ask yourself, how many quarters do you have in each half? A quarter, it means that you need to divide each half into 4 parts. So we have the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So in accounting, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each half we have 4 parties which make a quarter. So the meaning here is that we have 4 parties in a half, or we have 4 parties of a half. In mathematics, of and in, it means multiply. So we have 4 times a half, which means you have 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. That is the meaning. But in reality, when we need to see it, well, it means that after drawing a rectangle, and after dividing it in 2 equal parties, then we divide it in 4 parties. The first one, we need to shade the half portion. So when you shade this one, this is a half of the rectangle. Then you need to ask yourself, how many cubes do you have in 1 half? So when you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you discover that in 1 half you have 4 cubes. Then after that, you shade a quarter. This is a quarter Also, you need to count in order to understand how many cubes do you have in a quarter. 1, 2. We have 2. So we have 2 cubes in a quarter, and we have 4 cubes in a half. So by dividing, this means that when you say a half dividing a quarter, it is equivalent to this whole number, which is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, a half divided by 4 is equal also to 2. Why do you do like that? The aim of doing that is to ensure that students have visualized the calculation, instead of telling students that when you have a half divided by quarter, then make the reciprocal of a quarter by changing a division to be equal to multiplication, like that, 2 times over 1. This way of teaching, students cannot observe the reality. So when using the area, students observe the reality, and from there, when doing more than one examples, can develop his own rule how to get the answer. Thank you very much for listening, and I think you are